Legends of Learning presents the Donut Division game. This is a math game that makes learning about unlike denominators fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Donut Division is a fun and engaging math game where students practice fraction operations by preparing donut and coffee orders for customers. Players solve addition and subtraction problems involving fractions, mixed numbers, and unlike denominators using visual tools like cutters and proportion guides to represent each step. As orders become more challenging, students apply mathematical reasoning to choose the correct divisions and quantities, reinforcing core fraction concepts through interactive gameplay. Use the arrow keys or the WASD keys to move your character. Complete each customer's order by solving the fraction operations correctly. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.